So today we're having an Appreciative inquiry event. So that's for people in Willenhall to have their say about their local area, what goes on, what their hopes and aspirations are, and how they're going to make it happen.
We're getting people together to talk about what they want, like, need or want to change in Willenhall community.
We've invited people that live and work in the area to come along and share their views about what they think of Willenhall. And we're focusing really on the positives. So what is it that keeps them in Willenhall? What's their house like? What's their environment like? What are the things that are particularly interested to them? And we just want to hear from the people that we don't normally hear from.
The idea is to develop the community sort of a plan for the future. I've done many times before. It's all right me thinking many things which are already in the public domain, but we need to have a wider understanding from the community what they actually want. Other part, it's a good opportunity to explain to them the resources are limited, but how we can manage within those small areas and work with others and make things happen in this Willenhall area.
What's important here and what's unique here is that it isn't about elected members or other people making decisions for the people who live here. It's about the people who live here making those decisions. And they don't feel that they've got that power at the moment. We don't when we're living in neighbourhoods, but this is an opportunity for them to really think, yes, I can make a difference, I can influence that, and I can have my say.
I know a lot of activities in the area, but today I see it as a great, fantastic to come together, to see new face, to know about it, to learn a lot of things to it. I see it's a fantastic. Definitely, I'm happy to be attending this one.
Say if things like this now develop in the long run, with our point of view it could get better, but without our point of view it might get worse. We need a couple more parks and probably more things added onto the parks. Make it a better place by getting more stuff here, like more shops and that.
I've come here today because I've lived in Willenhall all my life. And I want to be a part of how it grows and how it develops so that future generations, my nieces and nephews and grandchildren can, have a great time here as much as I did growing up in Willenhall.
Well, today is a big surprise to me also, because I've been attending the tenants and residents meetings for years, and they went gradually downhill until they're non-existent. This is a wonderful venue today. So many people here, and everyone's got new ideas. I hope it's going to improve Willenhall.
I think today's event is amazing because I got to put my views around, and then I heard other people's views of what they thought about Willenhall.
I think you just get heard there, like you send an email or something, you just get disregarded, it goes into the spam or something. You come here, you actually get heard by more than one person.
Personally, I think we should have more events like this because you get like your views heard and stuff like that, whereas like Lucy said, you don't actually get heard properly if it's through email and stuff. So
the best thing about meeting today is coming in and seeing somebody face to face, meeting people you haven't met before, finding out what sort of skill sets that they have and where they've come from and their stories, so that you can all learn together and always constantly keep improving Willenhall, making it better every single day.
I think this is a good idea, and I think it could be a good start. This could be a good spark to the fire that perhaps we could get going within the Willenhall area.
I don't actually live in the area, I'm just facilitating today, but I'm a bit jealous that compared to my area, I've got not half of this stuff.
And the three things, wasn't it? Car boot, the people, that it's a real community, and that the precinct, that everything is really near and in one sort of space, so it's easy to get to.
The job club's fantastic. The library, they want to keep that open.
And the police station was identified as something really good in Willenhall by the young people.
Cycleways, so some of them really relating to health and getting out and about in the parks as well.
We came up with the idea of having a roof with everybody together as one single family, no matter what religion, race or background.
So we had a discussion. I thought, why not join the tables as a symbolism of the communities, the cultures coming together.
It's been a great event, and we should definitely have more things like this.